Hi, my name is Matthew Thomson and I run Jamie Oliver's 15 Cornwall and the Cornwall Food Foundation. It's a social enterprise in Cornwall in the UK. So I am very interested in system design and social design, and my business running a restaurant does involve product design and menu design in particular. But as a social enterprise, we're really focused on designing out some of the social problems in our society, specifically around young people not having the skills or the motivation to progress in their lives, but increasingly now looking at the problems of food poverty and the lack of skills that people have to, not just food skills, but the lack of skills they have to work with each other in teams. So the circular economy to me means keeping a flow of talent and resources around a community going for as long as you can. It's got to be sustainable. So I think the circular economy is the replacement for the linear economy that we've had for the last probably 1,000 years of Western civilization anyway. The circular economy is a natural model. So nature itself will take nutrients through a cycle, and we know about that, and bring the nutrients back in to use. We are less good at doing that as societies and as economies. So the circularity innovation we need will be bringing more people and resources all the way around the cycle in the economy, instead of just going through to the bin, through the rubbish bin. So every business has got people, every business uses energy, every business uses water as three obvious things. So the circularity around people is about training them and helping them understand the impact of what we do. Water, so the first thing is measuring it. How much water does your business need? Where does it get it from? So I know that my business needs 3,000 litres of water a day. So that's set me a target now. I know how many customers I serve. I'm working out that's 14 litres per customer per day. So I need to now start trying to reduce that, and I need to get ways of recycling the water, so that I am running a circular water economy. And actually the new circular economy directive in the EU is asking for a water reuse circularity, because water is a precious. When we rebuilt the kitchen, I just said as a target, because the chefs wanted this piece of equipment and the managers wanted to be able to serve this kind of food, so we needed this kind of equipment. I was like, fine, as long as the net energy in per meal comes down by 50%, you can have what you like. And I'm delighted to say we've achieved that. So now we've gone mostly electric. We're not using renewable energy generation on the building, but we are buying renewable energy. So I think just by looking at your water and your energy and your people, then you can build circularity into whatever you do. Obviously we're a restaurant, so we have food. So we're looking for food circularity. So that is about how we talk to our food producers about how they produce what they produce. And it's about how we minimize food waste by designing menus carefully and by planning menus so that we can cook leftovers from this into this new amazing meal. And then it's when we do get food waste, we make sure it is disposed of properly so that the nutrients in that food are cycled back through the local bioeconomy.